Hey y'all. So today I'll be eating some native chunks, and I have Clabber Girl box that I picked up yesterday, and I have Kingsford. Hopefully it don't get too noisy out here. It's a nice chunk. Mm. 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 Ooh, sorry about that, y'all. My phone started running out of storage. I like this better than the bucket or the can. I'm about to shoot a video. This is where we're at. Hubby painted his bike. Now he's getting ready to paint mine. So yeah, now we ain't gotta ride around with them bright, bright colors. So it is Saturday now, and we're about to go take a nice long bike ride. Before I do, I like to stretch. And also I'm still taking progress pictures as I go along. So that way I can look back later on. And everything's packed up. And I got my ice. And we is ready to roll. So the beginning of this video, I kind of speeded up the video really fast because we did a lot of bike riding and I didn't want to really bore you guys with all the bike riding. So in the beginning, I speed the video up and later on, I will slow it down. So we are doing bike riding and hubby doing a little fishing in between. So right now we is at a fishing spot. We stopped, took a break, and hubby caught a fish. It wasn't a keeper, so he tossed it back, and we is headed out back on the bikes. So yeah, we're about to go ride around Sacramento, California, and I'm going to take you guys along with me. Hope you guys enjoy the scenery. So we is gonna take another break. So yeah, it's time to sit down by the water and take a water break and relax these legs for a minute. They taking a water break. So yeah, we all needed a water break. Quick break is up and back on the road we go. So now at this point we're just riding around again on the trails. And this is what we did all day. Just rode around Sacramento, California, you know, and explored a little bit. Got the furries running around. They getting their little exercise in as well. race, and he about to give me a head start. I think he just want me to pedal faster.
See that white line? And here I come. Here I come.
We're going to that yellow. We're going to that yellow sign.
Wherever you want. I'm finna win. Okay, you know. Okay. Okay, look at lazy tail.
I can't do it. My legs.
Come on.
I can't. So now we is gonna pack the bikes up and we're gonna go to the other side. You ready? Back on the road we go. So we're about to head out and do some more sightseeing. Even though we've been down here several times before in the car, but we just want to ride our bikes around and, get some exercise in. And hubby, he's stopping to make sure that everything's tight and good on the bike. So, yeah, time to sightsee some more. This ride, it felt so good just to get out and ride. Just so peaceful. There's nothing like peace. When you just have peace in your life, it just feels so, so good. Peace and positivity, it just go hand to hand. But again, enjoy the vlog. bridge. Now we gotta pull our bikes and go to the top of the bridge. So yeah, that's what I'm about to do. Grab my bike and pull it up. Hubby pulling his up. And yeah, this is good exercise. So now we're about to ride around downtown for a little bit and do a little bit more sightseeing. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and let the music play. So this is what our Saturday was looking like. Lots of riding. But yeah, I don't want to bore you guys too much. So that's why I went ahead and clipped the video because it was way longer than this. We went riding, like a lot of riding. But anyways, thank you guys for watching this vlog, and I'm gonna go ahead and let the music play because I don't want to just keep running my mouth. Time to stretch my legs for a second. So yeah, that's what we're doing right now. Just standing under the bridge, taking a quick little breather, and back on the road we go. to let the little furries get out, use the bathroom for a minute before we head back up on the road. So yeah, that's what we're doing right now, taking a little quick little break. And then back on the road we go. So now we're about to ride around in Old Sac a little bit. So yeah, that's what we're doing, just exploring. But overall, today has been a nice, lovely, beautiful day. We enjoyed each other's company. We enjoyed our ride. And I hope you guys enjoyed the scenery. I know it was really, really long, but I want to take you guys along with me. So that's what I did. So we're making one more stop and then we're gonna head on out. But yeah, hubby's gonna throw his pole in for a quick little second. Then we're gonna get on the wayway head on home and then go grab us something to eat. But overall, we had a nice, lovely day and a long, long ride. I'm enjoying this freeway ride. Been riding all day. It feels really good. Just so relaxing. So we are here getting our food. We got the fish, shrimp with the coleslaw on the side. And we're about to go home, take us a nice, good old shower, and eat our food. But overall, we had a nice day. Look at that shrimp.